Welcome to the latest episode of Weekly Immigration News by Raju Law, where we bring you the most important developments from the world of US immigration. Let's take a look at this week's top headlines. Green Card Wet List changes in August 2025 bulletin. Immigration support grows despite Trump's actions. USCIS announces new fees for immigration forms. Carnegie honors 2025 great immigrants. We begin with updates from the U.S. State Department on Green Card wait times. The U.S. State Department has released the August 2025 visa bulletin, showing the latest Green Card wait times. Most family-based categories remained unchanged, but the F2A category advanced by 1 month for all countries, while the F4 sibling category moved ahead by 3 months and 3 weeks for China and all other areas. In the employment-based categories, EB2 dates slipped by 1 month and 2 weeks. EB3 for India moves forward 1 month, and EB5 saw major progress for India and China. Next, a major poll reveals shifting public sentiment on immigration despite ongoing policy changes. A new Gallup poll shows that 79% of Americans now see immigration as a good thing, marking the highest level of support in 25 years. Support has grown across political groups as well, including Republicans and Independents. The number of Republicans who wants less immigration has dropped from 88% to 48%. Most Americans now support giving undocumented immigrants a chance to become citizens. These findings challenge Trump's tough deportation agenda. Now, an important announcement from USCIS that will affect application fees for many immigration benefits. USCIS has announced new fees for certain immigration benefit requests effective July 22, 2025, based on the H.R. 1 law. The changes include a $50 fee for asylum applications and a $600 fee for employment-based petitions. These fees cannot be waived or reduced. Forms postmarked after August 21 without the required payment will be rejected. In more uplifting news, the Carnegie Corporation celebrates immigrants who have made remarkable contributions to American society. The Carnegie Corporation of New York has released its 2025 Great Immigrants, Great Americans list, recognizing 20 immigrants for their outstanding contributions to the United States. This year's honorees include public health advocate Sandra Liza Lindsay, business leader Michelle Kang, tech entrepreneur Top Aotona, Nobel Prize winner Maunji Bawendi, and composer Tanya Leon. The list highlights achievements across fields like science, health, business, and the arts. Thanks for watching Weekly Immigration News. Stay informed and see you next time.